Hello, who does not want money? You need some extra money to pay the bills, feed your family, put food on the table, and occasionally treat yourself, but nothing seems to be working and you have no idea where to start. Do you feel the same way? In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can make your first $100 online, even if you've never earned a dime online before. Because the bulk of the labor has already been done by others, this strategy has been demonstrated to consistently work. Nothing could be simpler. There is no investment necessary, and it is accessible in any country on earth. Make sure to watch all the way through to learn about this innovative method of earning money online. I'm going to discuss about Fiverr affiliates in today's video. I'm aware that many of you have heard of the website Fiverr, but in this video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Fiverr affiliate instead of becoming freelancers or selling services on Fiverr, which is something that no one else is covering. You are not required to render any services or sell anything to anyone. In this case, we're going to be creative and use the Fiverr platform to earn a daily commission. You can advertise Fiverr, encourage others to sign up for various services, and get a fairly sizable commission. We can get daily commissions by only marketing the Fiverr platform without having any prior experience or having to sell anything. Don't worry, the instruction will be very simple to follow, even for beginners. At the end of the video, I'll also show you a bonus that will perform all of the work for you. Now that I've addressed that, let me answer your main query. How much money can you make from this website? We'll examine the commission structure and determine your earning potential. There are two different types of Fiverr commission schemes that you may view here: Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. I'll go into great depth about how this method functions. We'll start by examining the Fiverr CPA commission, which can be anywhere between $15 and $150. But given that it depends on the category and services you promote, how do we know whether we can make $15 or $150? They're going to list all the services. For instance, if you want to market the Fiverr Pro services to earn $150 in commission from just one payment. I'll demonstrate various Fiverr professional services that you can recommend to others. Pro services on Fiverr are typically a bit expensive. For instance, some of the professional local design services on the marketplace cost $500, $800, or $3,000, while this particular job is only $300. Because of this, when you successfully refer a transaction, they'll pay you a lot of commission over $150, often even hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The best thing is that whether your consumers purchase $100 in services or $1,000 in services, you can consistently make $150. I'll teach you a few strategies on how to properly target people, sell and recommend them to many of the Fiverr professional services where you can repeatedly make $150. Let's imagine you want to send people to the whiteboard and animated explainers in order to earn $100. You will get a list of all the services you can recommend to others and get a fixed commission of $100 when someone clicks on this link. For instance, you would still receive $100 if someone you recommended used this service and paid $20 for it. It makes no difference what kind of services they buy. Even if they simply spend $10 on services, you might still earn $100, which is a great commission structure. These are all the various categories that you can market and receive a $100 fixed commission for. You'll see a variety of categories, such as web design, mobile design, and e-commerce development. You can get a $50 commission in this area, and for an additional $40 commission, you can suggest them for logo creation, web programming, website content, proofreading, and other services. You can make $40 in commission at this point, and another $35 in commission after that. You can refer them to all of these categories to earn $35, and the remaining categories will pay you $20. Now, in this video, I'll demonstrate the shortcut, which is the best way to profit from the Fiverr affiliate program with a constant $150 commission. If you can suggest only one person to this business and they pay $150, that is a far better method to earn money as a freelancer on Fiverr. We're not going to do that because it requires a lot of talent, requires waiting for customers to buy your services, and takes a lot of time. Instead, we're going to make money through the Fiverr affiliate network. That is the first way to make commissions. The second way is a hybrid using Fiverr. No matter what services you advertise, they will offer you $15 instead of a sizable commission up front, and you will share 10% of their sales for the following 12 months. Here's an illustration. If you recommend this service to someone, and they pay $400 for it, you'll only get paid $10, but you'll also get $15 for every dollar they spend for the rest of the year. Therefore, even though you can only make $15 today, tomorrow, next week, next month, or even the months after that, you can still make 10% of all the commission that they spend on Fiverr. For example, If they purchase this service and then proceed to purchase other professional services, such as $1,000 packages, directly on Fiverr, you can still make 10% of all of the commission that they spend. I prefer the Fiverr CPA strategy since I can get paid sooner and concentrate on the Fiverr Pro services, where we can repeatedly earn $150, and I can collect the one-time commission right away. That essentially sums up the commission plan's operation and the potential earnings. Click the Join Now button at the top to register for the Fiverr affiliate program if you wish to participate. Your first name, surname, and email address must be entered along with the personal account. You can use any username you choose and your password as you like. You can choose whichever country you're from because they accept visitors from all around the world, as you can see under the country section. From there, you can just choose your preferred languages, phone numbers, and, if available, your Skype number. After that, press Next to register. It is extremely easy. I'll demonstrate some approaches to boost traffic and strategies for getting recommendations for Fiverr Pro services. We'll now take a closer look at the Fiverr Pro services, all of which are examples of services that you can recommend and continually earn $150 in commission for. From my experience, I think it will be much easier for you to focus on this niche, graphics, and design because it is much simpler to suggest a sale in this category and there is just so much demand for it. I'll show you 3 strategies to meet that want. For instance, if you want to direct visitors to logo design, go to the graphic and design category. When you click on this category, you will be directed to a page where you may view all of the available packages. You can make the same amount of commission whether you sell a package that costs $800, $700, $500, or any other combination of these distinct packages. It would be much better if we pointed them in the direction of a much more affordable package, like this one that promises to create a catchy logo for your firm, which you can view by clicking on this link right here. You can see that this seller offers a good service that a lot of people value. At that point, if you suggest your potential clients to this business and they buy the basic package, you will be paid $150 in commission. Now to gain traffic, we will be going to reddit.com. Reddit is the simplest approach to generating a lot of referrals for this service. Reddit works as a free forum where you can sign up and then discover lots of people asking questions. Consequently, you can look for a certain subject using the Reddit search bar. For instance, this one asks, "Where can I purchase a logo?" If anyone else is posing this query in the Reddit forum, you can look for it there. You may make $150 each day if just one customer purchases one service each day. Look at all of these people that are trying to buy from someone right here. You can just click on that to create a free Reddit account, reply to it with a remark, and direct them to various services, such as the logo design service or this website design service. And just like that, you can make tons of dollars. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.